My name is Jean-François Remy, and I'm the CEO at Pickit for the last 4 years. Well, Pickit 4.1 is significant because we are pushing the envelope in terms of AI. So at Pickit, our strategy has always been to use AI where it matters. So we don't want to do AI for the sake of doing AI. We want to do AI where we can really deliver results towards our customers and on their production line. So we have a pre-trained model that helps you segmenting the objects in your bins, for example, through prompting. So you can just tell the system, I want to identify boxes, or I want to identify syringes, or even AirPods. I tried it yesterday, and our system will, with a pre-trained model, will identify them, and they will be ready to be picked. So this is going to speed up a lot the models that we can use and how you can define objects in Pickit. All the industries we serve are benefiting from it. We're thinking more importantly about the logistics sector, the pharma sector, and the manufacturing sector, because they deal with a lot of SKUs. But I would say that anybody who uses Pickit can benefit from it if they really want to speed up the way they're handling their SKUs or product with Pickit.